In this video, I'm going to share with you an affiliate marketing strategy called the prescription strategy that is going to make it so that you have a buying frenzy when it comes to your affiliate offers. What's going on, guys? If you're new to this channel, my name is Saul Sanchez and I post videos every single day about marketing, business, and personal finance. So make sure to hit the subscribe button below if you are new so you can get updated when I release a new video. All right, so let's get right into the video. And the prescription strategy that I'm talking about today is not only for affiliate marketing and actually building out funnels and doing all the technical work, but it's also a mental model that you need to have in your marketing. And not only in marketing, but also in business in general and also in sales in general. This mental model will help you dramatically. So the mental model is this, and you're gonna wanna write this down and ingrain it into your head, okay? So it's prescription without diagnosis is malpractice. Okay, I'm gonna say that again. Prescription without diagnosis is malpractice. So I originally learned this mental model when it came to learning sales originally and having to sell different services for my marketing agency. So let's break down this mental model and kind of explain what it actually means, okay? So basically what it's saying is that you can never sell anything or market anything at all to anyone with great success if you don't truly understand their specific problems. So there's two reasons for this. So when you understand someone's problems, not only can you properly prescribe like the right solution, the right product, or whatever it is, but even more importantly, when you understand their problems and they know that you understand their problems, they're gonna trust you a lot more. So for example, let's say you went to a doctor's office, right? And instead of actually, that doctor asking you all the usual questions like, how are you feeling? What kind of symptoms? Does this hurt when I do this? All that kind of stuff. Instead of doing that, imagine if the doctor just sat you down and then the first thing that he did was gave you a prescription to some sort of medication. How likely are you to actually, first of all, trust that doctor, and then secondly, actually use that prescription, right? You're not gonna use it at all because you don't actually feel like it's specifically for you, and it could be some random medication that the doctor just, pulled out of the cabinet or whatever it is. So one of the most important things when it comes to affiliate marketing and also marketing in general is not only, understanding your target audience, but letting them know that you understand them, because then they're going to trust whatever you have to present later on a lot more because you've already spoken to them and talked about their problems, talked about their pain points, all that kind of stuff. So the way you do this is that in your marketing, when you want to call someone's attention, you want to also speak about their specific problems right there in that ad, right there in the landing page, whatever it is. You want to speak about their problems because only people who truly understand that niche audience will actually understand what kind of problems they're currently having. So to give you an example, I work with realtors, and one of their pain points is, their lack of leads coming in. They don't get good quality traffic to their website. They have to do a lot of door knocking, cold calling, all this kind of stuff. And then what is the deeper issue with that? Okay, so now that they're getting, low quality leads, they have to do all this manual lead generation, which includes networking, door knocking, all that kind of stuff. And as a result of doing those sorts of lead generation methods that are all, manual labor, now they have all these underlying problems. So maybe, they're working overtime, they're working long hours on the weekend, they have no time for family. Maybe their health takes a hit. So there are all these underlying problems that you are also solving, and you can actually use that to call out your audience and to let them know that you truly understand them and you have a prescription to actually provide to them that will remedy that problem. Now, let me be very clear. Even though you're letting your audience know that you understand their problem, you have exactly what they need to remedy this problem, all that kind of stuff, your actual prescription, like when you present the solution, should not really be the affiliate offer itself. If you really want to take it to the next level, what you would actually do is kind of prescribe the high level solution. So for example, if we go back to the realtor example, they're struggling with lead generation. That's their struggle. And they want to make sure that they can get clients on demand. They get high quality leads coming through the door every single day. And in order to do that, what I would prescribe is not like Clickfunnels and tell them, hey, you need to use this software, but it would be like the high level. So it'd be like, okay, you need a funnel. You need landing pages that are actually going to capture the traffic and turn them into leads. So I'm giving the high level prescription and solution. The reason for this is that now it doesn't seem like a sales pitch. It seems like I'm genuinely trying to help them, which I am. So now that they know the solution, as a byproduct of prescribing that solution, I can say, hey, if you want to use the software that I use in order to do this, here's Clickfunnels. Check it out, 14-day free trial. I'm not directly promoting ClickFunnels, but it is a byproduct of prescribing the right solution that they need. So as you can imagine, this always comes off more genuine, and it doesn't seem like I'm trying to push one specific offer down their throat. I'm just prescribing the solution and saying, hey, if you want to use what I use, use ClickFunnels below. And I can even make it more enticing and be like, hey, if you want to use the exact funnels that I use, here's a link to import the funnels directly into your ClickFunnels account. So, you can use what's called a share funnel link with ClickFunnels. And now they have it all built out for them. You're providing even more value. The other thing with this is because you've truly helped them and everything seems genuine, they're 10 times more likely to actually follow your recommendation because you've built up so much trust with them. So to give you a real world example of how this would actually work and what would the funnel actually look like, let's use the example of the realtors again. So for the realtors, we can actually, drive traffic to like a free training where they have to opt in order to get the free training. And the headline for the free training could be something like, how to attract high quality buyers and sellers every single month on demand without having to cold call or door knock, right? So now that piques their curiosity. They're trying to figure out, like, how can I do this? How can I not have to struggle like I have been already? And your ad to drive people there should be talking about those pain points to actually get them there and have them in the right frame of mind to actually be willing to opt in. In your actual video itself, when you're releasing the free training, you would talk about, what most realtors are doing, why different strategies don't actually work, what are the problem with those strategies, and then you want to fill in the gaps in terms of providing your solution. And again, it's not the affiliate offer, but it's the high level solution. So in my case, it would be like, how to actually drive high quality traffic using paid ads, and then how to actually convert that traffic into leads and qualify them properly using funnels. So it's 100% free training on how to actually do this. And as a byproduct of that training, now that I've established so much trust, I've given them a breakthrough in terms of different strategies that they can now use instead of doing whatever they have been in the past. Now, as a byproduct of that, at the very end of the video, I would say something like, hey, if you want to use exactly what I've been using to convert, cold traffic into high quality leads, click the button below and you'll get your 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels. And then, you can also give them your actual funnel itself and have it imported directly into their account. And now you're providing even more value. And now it's framed as if you're actually truly trying to help them, which you are and what you are doing. So this is just the best way to go about it. And now what's also cool is that you can keep on doing this over and over again with the same people. So now that you have their email address because they opted into the video, now you can follow up via email. You can send them back to the original training to make sure that they actually watched it and consumed all the information. But now what you can also do is send them emails for other free trainings that you have for them. So for example, you can do something about email marketing, right? You want to promote some sort of email marketing software. So you can frame it as if like, hey, you're giving them free training on how to properly follow up with their leads long-term, how to nurture their leads long-term. And then you're prescribing the actual strategy and how to actually do that, what's going to actually be said in the emails itself. And then at the end of the video, you can subtly, promote your affiliate offer where you can say, hey, if you want to use the exact software that we use that has all the right features that you need in order to, start converting your leads into actual appointments, then, click below to get your 14-day free trial, whatever it is. And if you use the button below, I'm going to give you my 180-day follow-up template. So you can just copy and paste it into your account and you have something that you don't even have to build out yourself. It's already proven to convert. Plug and play right into your account. All you got to do is click below, sign up for free, try it out for 14 days. If you don't like it, no problem at all. So anyway, you can see the value in this. You're actually making money by being very value driven and just helping people, truly trying to help them and not even asking for anything at all. They don't see you as a salesperson. They see you as someone who's prescribing the right solutions. So anyway, I hope this video helped. I hope this mental model really kind of gave you some insights as to how you should be framing everything, how you should be thinking about all your marketing material, because this is going to go so far in not only selling affiliate offers, but building trust with your email list so that they keep on buying things from you going into the future. So bottom line is stop thinking about it as being a salesperson and having a sales prospect. Think about it as a doctor and a patient and how you're going to truly help that person to, get the results they want. What is that after state that they actually want to achieve? So remember, prescription without diagnosis is malpractice. Okay, write that down, ingrain it into your head. It's going to help you a ton in every area of business. All right, that is everything for this video. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you kind of realize what needs to be done now. So if you do want more affiliate marketing training for free, make sure to click the first link in the description below, and it's going to take you to the Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp. Once again, my name is Saul Sanchez, and I release videos every single day about marketing, business, and personal finance. So again, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and I'll be back tomorrow. All right, that's it for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.